UProffessor Gunner utshele enkantolo ukuthi amaculo ezombusazwe aneqhaza empilweni yomphakathi. Uphinde wachaza ngomlando wamaculo ezombusazwe kuleli.
It means that if you go back to the start of the Union in 1910, you can trace from that time and earlier as well that there was a strong tradition of the use of public song in order to voice opinion and make important points about governance.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema waqala ukucula leculo elithi Dubula Ibhunu endaweni yomphakathi azi ukuthi lisuka kuphi.
Julius Malema began to use song, and particularly Dubula Ibhunu, in the public sphere, but he did so knowing that it came from a long tradition of songs that went before it.
Wathi ungabona leli culo njengesibonelo sokuhlanganisa abantu wenze iphuzu ngeningizimu Afrika yamanje kanye nomlando kwakuleli. Inkantolo imbuzo ukuthi ingabe ukuphathwa kwenduku nenhloso yokushaya noma cha.
I think that the song is saying we're not going to give up. Don't take us lightly. And the stick is a metaphor for don't forget we're strong. And so that's how I see it. It's a new song. It's a song that was composed for that occasion, I believe.